Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of mobile photography with the all-new iPhone 16 Pro. We'll explore its amazing camera upgrades, the benefits and drawbacks, and the ongoing debate about AI in photography. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. First up, let's talk about the iPhone 16 Pro's camera upgrades. This phone boasts unparalleled image quality, exceptional low-light performance, and new features like ProRAW support. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love taking photos, these enhancements make capturing stunning images easier than ever. But with every technological leap, there are challenges and controversies. A big question is, how does AI-driven photography impact the creative process? Some people argue that relying too much on AI for image optimization might take away from the photographer's artistic vision. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. The advantages of the iPhone 16 Pro's camera are clear: amazing image quality, better low-light shots, and advanced features. But some users might find the camera system too complex, especially if they prefer a simpler, more streamlined photography experience. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 Pro's camera is a game changer in mobile photography. It offers incredible tools for capturing beautiful images with ease and precision. While there are some challenges and controversies to consider, the future of smartphone photography is incredibly exciting, and the iPhone 16 Pro is leading the way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. See you next time.